And hello from Tokyo. Okay, I'm just changing the little bit of text at the bottom to what the plan for today is. Park. Tachikawa. Okay, done. So, hang on, let me bring up chat. There we go. So we are here in Tachikawa. I'm actually like right at this train station here. So you got trains down there. There's a monorail up there. Actually, I remember when we did the stream in Fukuoka. It took me ages to actually be able to get a monorail shot, and there we go. We're like right under it now. So this is Tachikawa. Probably walking under a monorail is not a good idea to keep a broadcast signal going. So we're going to keep moving because there's also a lot of tall buildings. So before heading out, I did sort of Google or look on Google Maps and see like what's in Tachikawa, and there's a lot of sort of city areas that the kind of stuff that we've seen on many streams anyway. But they've got a massive park over that way, so we're gonna try and head over that way. I looked at the map before I came out. I think I've got it roughly memorised where it is. And that's at a monorail station over there. So we're not going to go in there. We're going to head over that way, and hopefully the park is going to be just sort of over yonder. So let's take the stairs. I'll tell you what, recently I've been listening to the latest Ninja Sex Party single, Danny Don't You Know, and it's been in my head over and over, and I've been listening to it again and again because it's such a nice song, and the video as well is really bloody good as well. It's really like good. And it finally came out on iTunes today, or it might be yesterday, I don't know. It said the 29th, but if it came out like late on the 29th, it's already the 30th here. So like I bought that, and like all the way here I just had that song like on repeat. I've stopped every now and then just to sort of dilute. I don't know if dilute's the right word there. It's there seems to be a hobby shop in there. Maybe I'll come back there later. Maybe. So this is the second week in a row that we've been live streaming since the move. Hopefully we'll carry on that trend. Hopefully nothing major will sort of come up at work or something. Because as I explained like last week, the move took a bit of a while because like I had both apartments for a month, so there wasn't really a rush. I could sort of take my time. And then like right after that, I'm knackered. Right after that, like work got really busy. I'm gonna cross this road. But I mean, work's still busy now, but the project that we've started, we've all sort of eased into it. 100%! そこどこ？風強いね。だろ？こちらは立川。東京の西の部分。So this is Tachikawa in West Tokyo. 西の部分だけど西東京というところではない。それはここからちょっと遠くないけど。時給のカツラも飛んでいくね。カツラもって何？立川といえば 日本ファルコムがあるね。ファルコムって何？あ、カツラ。あ、そっか。でも今日髪を切りました。これを見せるかな。髪を切りました。そして今日はカツラは使わない。今日は。So today we're heading to a park. ファルコムはイースとかシリーズとか出しているローポゲーム会社。ローポなんかおじいさんみたいな老人。まあ見たら見る。まだ見てない。でも偶然で見つけたら老舗。その言葉はわからない。老舗。多分そのことが知るはずだけど。So right now, like one problem I occasionally have is when I do these streams at night, I can't really see what's on the screen because it's too dark, because the chat has a background layer, a semi-transparent background layer. I'm probably going to have to take a right at some point. But today's problem is because it's so bright out, I don't know if like even you guys can see this, because like I can't see a thing on my screen. It's just too glary, I guess. All I can see is my own reflection. Jonen 商売しているって意味。なんか本当に長い間同じ店舗として売ってるとか。老舗。The more you know. Alright, we are going to take a right soon because double cleaning. Because according to the map, we shouldn't have gotten this far. Still there sitting on a toilet, but it's more presenting than anything. Massive building there. Naganin, that was it. Naganin ka chonen ka. やっぱ間違った。It's windy. It is windy today. So a little bit about this area. I don't know anything. Because this is sort of West Tokyo, a lot of people in Tokyo proper consider this to be like the countryside, or like the window to the countryside. But we know better. We know much better.昨日の夕方こちら。おお、雷すごかった。大変。みんな大丈夫？雷にぶつからなかったね。So we can only see a little bit of green. No, lots a little bit of green. Alright, so we're turning here. Alright. Now is it I'm gonna cross this road because either way we're gonna have to go down that way or that way. Oh, but there's a railroad crossing. Ooh. I don't know why I like them. I like railroad crossings. Alright. But the name of this road, Midorikawa Dori. So like Midorikawa is green river. It could be indicative that there's greenery. Oh, there is greenery over there, I know that for sure. But over that way too.